Good morning. Tuesday, January 23rd, 2024. We're out here downtown's Kingsport right now, Centennial Park. Looking for some places to watch some birds. Here's the railroad tracks right here. And there goes a cardinal. Bunch of pigeons up there on that wire. Over there's Brickyard Park. Here's Kingsport Grocery Company wholesale building. Got Kingsport Cycles, Triumph. They've been doing a lot of work on this main street here. Been closed off for a while in some spots. The light posts, lamp posts laying down there. There's Kingsport Fire Station 1. Some kind of dog out front here. Our hero. Dalmatian puppy sculpture honoring firefighters and first responders. Nice. There's a nice mural on this wall. Not sure what this building is yet. There's a sign down there, we'll see. Got some butterflies. Doing some sewing there on the carousel, swinging. Got some dancing unicorns there. Watering the crops, taking care of the baby, making something to eat. More butterflies. My metamorphosis is nearly complete. From the caterpillar to the beautiful butterfly. All right, that's what we're seeing here. This is the Bellafina chocolates and gifts, celebrating women, children, and chocolates. Here's the Kingsport Axe House. I got some kind of mural on the wall down here. Okay. High voltage. Kind of looks like AC/DC guitars there with the shorts. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Right here by the power station. That's why they call it high voltage. There's Bays Mountain there off in the distance. Some kind of mural on the wall over here. Ballerinas. Actually, it's not a mural painted on, it's a banner hung there. There's the barking lot. If you want someplace to go bark, right here you go. There's a nice mural. Here's a painting of a butterfly. Here's a catamaran. One on the Kingsport green belt. Tradition since 1943, the Santa train. We are Model City. There's River Mountain Antiques right there. There's a nice mural there. Looks like a Statue of Liberty or something. The Crown. And there's Tom and Jerry. I used to watch those cartoons all the time. That building there has a sign on it, Lamplight Theater. Got a lot of icicles over here. Broad Street, Kingsport, Tennessee. See, the gutter has a little leak there. Here's the Sugar High, whatever that is. A nice painting here though. Over here by this mailbox, there's a statue. Man and his dog. Got some binoculars. Got a little bird right there. And he's got a bird on his hat. Huh. What is this? Commemorating bird watchers or something? I don't see no sign or nothing. There is a sculpture called the Four Elements. We're right here at the intersection of Market and Broad. Come on up here to East Center Street and Broad. Here's Urban Brews. Want a cup of coffee. Nice picture of a bird there. Here at the art gallery. There's a turkey. Who says you can't do bird watching in the city? There's some birds and an eagle. This is PJ Antiques. Some little sparrows in these bushes here. That's a nice bench. Sign's kind of faded. Midnight special. Guess what they call that. A little map of downtown Kingsport. We are here by the parking garage. Right there. Tearing something down over here. That's the A-Hood bonding building there. Behind there anyway, that's what they're tearing up back there. Over here is the Kingsport Center for Higher Education. This says King Heritage Trail walking path. I'm not familiar with that walking path. I don't know where it is actually. It's right here. Where are we? On the corner of Market and Clay. Kingsport Higher Education. We've got a monument here with a fire burning there, dedicated to those officers who died in the line of duty. I hear some birds in these bushes here somewhere. I'll walk down this way a little bit to see if I can find that heritage trail where that sign was pointing down this way, but it's got the Eastman Credit Union here, Domtar. I'll see any other signs. Academic Village here. I don't know where that heritage trail is supposed to be. There's Domtar, they're hiring. It's a packaging plant. $19 an hour plus benefits. Got some kind of statue over here. Let's see what this is. There's depictions of train scenes, people doing various things. This guy's looking at the bottom of a bottle. Looks like a flask. Maybe he's a scientist. And the guy over here is writing something down. So that guy's pointing to something. That says Eastman. Let's check out the other side. There's a lady's holding a bottle. On this side we got some writing. It's too faded, too small to read. This guy's doing something. That looks like Roosevelt right there. You got some guys up here posing. Huh. This guy got a handful of something, admiring it, whatever it is. Huh. I'll do it for today's video. Thanks for walking along. I'll catch you later. Roger, over and out. Rectitude leads straight to prosperity by 4 successive steps. First, the upright man wins the confidence of others. Second, having gained their confidence, they put trust in him. Third, this trust, never being violated, produces a good reputation. And fourth, a good reputation spreads further and further, and so bring about success. Dishonesty has the reverse effect. By destroying the confidence of others, it produces in them suspicion and mistrust, and these bring about a bad reputation, which culminates in failure. The pillar of integrity is held together by these 4 viral elements: honesty, fearlessness, purposefulness, invincibility. Honesty is the surest way to success. The day at last comes when the dishonest man repents in sorrow and suffering, but no man ever needs to repent of having been honest. Even when the honest man fails, as he does sometimes, through lacking other of these pillars, such as energy, economy, or system, his failure is not the grievous thing it is to the dishonest man, for he can always rejoice in the fact that he has never defrauded a fellow being. Even in his darkest hour, he finds repose in a clear conscience. Ignorant men imagine that dishonesty is a shortcut to prosperity. This is why they practice it. The dishonest man is morally short-sighted. Like the drunkard who sees the immediate pleasure of his habit, but not the ultimate degradation, he sees the immediate effect of a dishonest act, a larger profit, but not its ultimate outcome. He does not see that the accumulated number of such acts must inevitably undermine his character and bring his business toppling about his ears in ruin. While pocketing his gains and thinking how cleverly and successfully he is imposing on others, he is all the time imposing on himself, and every coin thus gained must be paid back with added interest. And from this just retribution there is no possible loophole of escape. This moral gravitation is sure and unvarying as the physical gravitation of a stone to the earth. The tradesman who demands of his assistants that they shall be and misrepresents his goods to customers is surrounding himself on all hands with suspicion, mistrust, and hatred. Even the moral weaklings who carry out his instructions despise him while defiling themselves with his unclean work. How can success thrive in such a poisonous atmosphere? The spirit of ruin is already in such a business, and the day of his fall is ordained. An honest man may fail, but not because he is honest, and his failure will be honorable and will not injure his character and reputation. His failure, too, resulting doubtless from the incapacity in the particular direction of his failure, will be a means of leading him into something more suited to his talents and thus to ultimate success.